What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and of course you can tell by the title what this video is going to be about. I ordered some AliExpress hair from the company AliGrace. Now I already know y'all over here like, didn't you buy that hair already? I could have sworn you bought that hair already. You definitely did a review on that hair already. Didn't you buy from that company already? It's just like, look, the way life is set up after that horror situation with the other review that I made about that hair, Eva hair, whatever the case may be, whatever y'all name is. Okay, after this situation, I'm gonna just stick to what I know. Here go the package right here. You know, FedEx dropped it off or whatever. I ordered the loose wave texture. I don't know if it's Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, you know, I don't know nothing about that. I bought an 18-inch closure. I got a closure this time because I went through hell and back with that goddamn frontal I had last time, okay? In 3 20-inch bundles. So let's cut this bad boy open. So the first thing I pull out is the closure. What's this? What they gave me? What's this? Girl, they gave me a gift? Hold on. These are my 20s. I'm finna take them out the package in a second, but I just want to show y'all what they look like in the package. That's it. That's everything. They gave me a gift. What is this? Oh, a beauty blender. That's all I'm gonna say. It's usable. That's all I can say. Let's get these out the packages. Let me get you out this net. Y'all, this hair is so goddamn soft right now. Ooh. Ooh. I am in love right now. No shedding. None whatsoever right now. It got a smell to it. It smelled just like the hair like it did last time, but it's really not bad though. It's not. The only thing that I'm noticing that I'm really not feeling is how like the hair is completely straight right here. Like it's completely straight before it gets to the actual curl. Like I thought it was gonna kind of curl from the root, but the curls, as far as I'm concerned right now, is popping. This is beautiful. My hand just slips through, like it really just slips through. Like this is some quality hair. And another great part about this hair is the wefts are double wefted. A1. So overall, I definitely will buy this hair again. Like this texture though, I don't know why I didn't see you when I first bought the hair. Where was you? I didn't see you. I didn't see you. That's the unboxing, y'all. Like I don't even know what else to say about it. And the customer service was fantastic. Like the customer service has always been A1. Yeah, that's it. Let me read this. Look at the ends though. The ends is like it ain't straggly. Like it's full at the ends. Do y'all see that? It's full. I hope y'all can see that. Like it's full at the ends. It's not like, it's true to length. So stay tuned. Y'all will definitely see me in my next one. Goodbye. Going fast, you